Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Chase Sapphire Preferred versus Amex Gold. Which is better? The answer depends on your lifestyle. Chase Sapphire Preferred shines for travelers who want flexible rewards with low annual fee. You'll get bonus points on dining and travel, extra value when booking through Chase, strong partners like Hyatt and United, plus great perks like a $50 hotel credit and no foreign transaction fee. The downside, everyday spending on groceries isn't as rewarding. On the other hand, the Amex Gold is built for food lovers and families with standout rewards on dining and US supermarkets, plus monthly credits for Uber, dining, and more. Its membership rewards program is robust, but the $325 annual fee requires you to fully use those credits to get your money's worth. Travel protection also lag behind Chase. Bottom line, if you maximize dining and grocery rewards, Amex Gold delivers. But for most people seeking balanced value and travel perks at a lower cost, Chase Sapphire Preferred is the smarter choice. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.